Have you guys been using the Filmora editing app and wondering on how to add elements on it? The elements like stickers, GIFs and many more options? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add elements in the Filmora app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to add elements, tap onto the sticker option just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the multiple options of the GIF, emoji and many more stickers, just like this. Now choose one that you want to add, or you can simply tap onto the search bar and type the element name that you want to add. Now after choosing, simply tap on it, just like this. And now you can see it has been added. Now tap onto the check mark right here and you can simply edit it. Now add as much as elements as you want in your videos. And that's it. This is how you can add elements in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.